Hey everyone, welcome back to PeasyMaster. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the starting the output failed error in OBS Studio. First, open OBS Studio on your computer. Next, click on Settings, then go to the Output section. If you're using Advanced Output mode, change the video encoder for streaming to software X264. Then change the video encoder for recording to software X264 as well. Click Apply, then click OK to save your changes. Now close OBS for a moment. Next, click the Start button and search for Device Manager. Open Device Manager, then expand the Display Adapters section. Right-click on your graphics card and check for driver updates. If an update is available, install it and restart your computer. After restarting, open OBS Studio and try recording or streaming again. The starting the output failed error should now be resolved. And that's it. That's how you can fix the starting the output failed error in OBS Studio. Like and subscribe to PeasyMaster for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.